share onigiri vibes. We're good vibes, diba?
Yes.
We're good vibes to the mga nori. So we're decide to make our brand, Hambahay, clothing brand. And we're planning to launch next year. Pero, dyan, I got first sample.
Ikaw talaga sinusurprise.
This is the first sample. Pero,
Oh.
I want to open this one
Like,
in Japan. Not now. Kasi walang oras ngayon.
okay, tama.
Yes. So, let's fix muna.
Kasi alis tayo ng 3
Oh my
a.m.
gosh, 3 a.m. So, pero now 11 p.m. Oh my gosh. So, fix muna.
Define puyat.
Guys, thank you. Happy holidays.
Happy